So maybe you're just looking to put very large memory cards in your Wise cameras, or you've got a bunch of devices, maybe kids' tablets. You want to add 128 gigabytes by 3. So you get 3 different cards in this package from Lexar. This one's 126.4, so if that matters, this one has the least available capacity. So this is from Lexar. So they may not be giving you as much space here, or they may be reserving more of that space for, you know, wear leveling and other stuff. 126.4 total capacity with 126.39. So that's very interesting. The write speed is already doing pretty well. It's putting work in here. I like that. So first test on the write speed is looking good. It is 83.2. So it's landing somewhere in between our first and our second place. Looks like 81 is what we're gonna call that. So it's got an 81 megabyte write. And the read speed, now that's the lowest read speed that we've seen, isn't it? Slowest performance so far, but that's 91 on the read. What does that mean as far as write speed? So if you look at the read and write columns down there, what it's saying is that you could read and write up to 8K with this technically. So I can tell you, having 160 here as a read speed on the SanDisk, I use those because they're really, really fast in my cameras to copy footage from. If this is coming in at 90 or 80 or whatever it ends up coming in as at the low, that's just longer that I have to wait to copy my footage. So that's another really important thing to think about is, you know, do you want a faster card? Well, you know, that is more time that you're gonna have to wait. So that came in, and we're gonna round that down to 90. So I'm gonna take the high numbers, which was 81 and 91. I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. Maybe someday when we come back here, my editor will level these all out, but they're staying within a pretty tight range here. So this one looking between 75 and 81 and pretty consistently in that 90 megabytes per second. Now this was, again, from Lexar. This is a 3-pack.